Hi friends, today let's discuss about the earthwork quantity calculation for the road work. The details that will be given for road work calculation is length of the chainage and the RL of the formation at the start of the road formation, and sloping in banking is 2, and then it has been given that from 10 to 14 chainages, that is there are 10 to 20 chainages are there. From 10 to 14 chainages, the gradient of the road is 1 in 50 downwards, 1 in 150 downwards. And then from the 15 to 20 chainages, 1 in 100 downwards. The gradient is 1 in 100 downwards. And other details will be given is formation level is 107.5 at the start of the road formation, and then width of the road is 10 meters. That is the width of the road, and the details that will be given is RL of the ground will be given. This RL of the ground will be given and chainages will be given. We have to calculate the RL of the formation. First, at the start of the road formation, this RL of formation will be given. Here in this case it is 107.5. Next, it is downward gradient. It is being said that it is downward. ಇದು ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಗೆ 107.5 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RL ಆಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to 14 chainage 1 in 150 ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ 14 to 28 15 to 28 chainage, the gradient is 1 in 100 downwards, means it will also reduce. How to calculate the formation level for the next point is, this is the formula. First, we have to take the previous value, that is this value, minus uh, minus this chainage divided by the gradient. Chainage is 30 meters. Here one very important thing is chainage and gradient, these are not changing, they are continuously, they are the same. Chainage is also 30 meters is constant, 1 in 150, this is also constant, this is not reducing. That's why you have to put dollar sign before C, and then after C also you have to put the dollar form. And here also it is not changing, gradient is also not changing. That's why you have to put the dollar sign before the character, E character, and then after the character also you have to put the down. Next, you have to just click on this, uh, bring the cursor towards the end, and then just drag it downwards towards the 14th chainage. That is for up to 14 chainage, 1 in 150 gradient is given. Okay, now this is the up to 14 chainage, gradient is not changing, which is 1 in 150. But after 15 chainage, gradient is changing. That's why you have to take previous RL minus chainage divided by gradient. Gradient here is 1 in 100, and you have to put the dollar prompt sign here before the C character and after the C character also. And then for the gradient also you have to put the before the E character and after the E character also you have to put. Now just after finding out, just bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner, and plus sign will appear. After this plus sign appears, you just drag it downwards. You drag it downwards, the other gradients will be calculated for the other chainages. Okay, next is RL of the height difference. Height difference is calculated as RL of formation minus RL of ground. If that value comes out to be positive, that means that it is in filling. If that value comes out to be negative, that means it is in cutting. Okay, now here uh, RL of formation, double click on this one, that is RL of formation minus RL of the ground, which is positive, it means that it is in filling. For the next case also it will be done same way. That's why what you have to do is, first you put the formula and then bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner, and then plus, as it appears the plus sign will appear. After plus sign appears, you just drag it downwards. Okay, now all other uh, height differences will be calculated in the similar way. Okay, next is you have to find out the mean depth. For finding out the mean depth, leave the first as the blank, and then second one, what you have to do is previous RL minus the considered RL plus of the whole divided by 2. That is, I repeat once again, the previous RL minus the RL considered, which is plus whole divided by 2. We will be getting the mean depth. Similarly, for this also, previous RL minus plus of RL considered, the whole divided by 2. Just uh, click on this one, right bottommost corner, then just drag it downwards. It will calculate automatically. Next is central area, that is B into D. B into D. B is fixed one, which is 10-meter width of the road is width of the formation is 10 meters, and then D is the mean depth into mean depth. This as this is not changing, that is width of the road is not changing. That's why you have to put the dollar prompt before and after the B sign, B character. Okay, and then next click on this one, and then bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner. When plus sign appears, you just drag it downwards. Okay, you will get the central area. Then next is the side area. Side area, how to calculate is SD square. Here S is not changing, only D is changing. SD square, how to calculate is S is slope in banking. Okay, slope in banking into mean depth square. This is the mean depth square. And then this S is not changing, that's why you have to put the dollar sign before the C character, and after the C character also you have to put the dollar prompt. And then next you just click on this one, bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner, and then drag it downwards. Okay, you will get the SD square. Then next is calculation of the total area. Total area, how to calculate is BD plus SD square. How to calculate is BD plus of SD square. Enter. You just bring the click on this one, click on one value, bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner and drag it downwards. You will get the all the side areas. And length of the chainage length is fixed one, which is 30 meters. Okay, enter the 30 meters, and then enter here also 30 meters. Select both of the cells and then drag it downwards. You will get the 30 meters. Filling, how to calculate the filling is how to calculate is total area into length of the chainage. Okay, you will get the total filling quantity. All the height differences, all these values are positive. That's why all the quantities will be in filling only. So what you have to do, first you have to calculate the first value, which is BD plus SD square into length of the chainage. You just bring the cursor towards the right bottommost corner and drag it downwards. And you have to calculate no cutting. Cutting is not there in any. If for any value, if we get this height difference as negative, then you have to put the quantity in the cutting value. Okay, and then next calculate the total quantity of the filling. Total quantity of the filling, how to calculate is, first you have to write equal to sum. I will write it once again, equal to sign, and then sum under the bracket from first value to the last value. You select all the values and put the bracket complete, and you will get the total earthwork quantity calculation. Okay, now this is for earthwork quantity calculation. uh, for for in the similar way, you can draw the graph. How to draw the graph is, first select the values. First click somewhere outside the chart, and then select the values, Chinese values, RL of ground and RL of formation. Select both all the three columns. Go to insert option. Go to the scatter. In that line option, here is one. You will get the this is a red line. Whatever it is appearing, it is the RL of formation, and then it is whatever the it is shown in the blue line, which is the RL of the ground. All the quantities are in the filling only, you can observe. Thank you.